Hello folks, I'd like to make a short video on the Quasar and how it connects to your boat or vehicle. Okay, here's where we installed the GPS module. It sits neatly right here on the back tail of the pod. We've got a little rubber grommet that makes everything go in so neatly. Now just so you know, this module, it only has to be outside on a carbon fiber boat. If you've got a fiberglass boat or like a plastic boat like a Spartan or a Sonic Wake, this module can be inside the boat and you never have to tap it outside. But our boats are made of carbon fiber, so my main concern was the advancement of the technology of carbon fiber boats, which is the advancement of technology of boats, period. So I had to come up with a way to have a GPS for a carbon boat that was not intrusive, where you don't have to keep taping a GPS onto your boat or anything like that. Here you got this non-intrusive, nice lightweight little button on back, and you're there. Now here is the receiver itself. Right here, you've got the voltage port, and this is the cable where the GPS port comes in. Then you've got your regular channels 1 and 2, and of course all the empty slots for the other 7 channels. This is a 9-channel radio. Now, the voltage port, I simply took, this is provided with the Quasar kit. This wire just goes straight on up and taps right into your ESC power wires. On the negative side, there's a little resistor, but it's already installed and you just solder that right in. And I did this simple install and a simple tap in to show you guys a simple way. It can also be done, ideally, soldered in with the plug, which our new ESCs will come with this tap attached to the power output, so you can directly plug Quasar in. Now, since we have it like this that you can tap right into any ESC, now since this port can be tapped in just to the positive negative of any ESC, that means this radio and its voltage monitoring can be used on any ESC, on any car, truck, or boat. Okay, now I'll just let you guys see how well this thing responds when I plug in a 6S battery. Here I have the receiver out so you can see everything happen. So first, I'm going to turn on the radio. Now watch the screen and how quick it responds when I plug in the battery.
Receiver battery 5.9 volt. External battery 22.2 volt.
And that is the beauty of the Quasar. It tells you your external battery voltage as well as your receiver pack voltage, and she tells it to you periodically. And of course, you've got the GPS speed, which here shows the top in miles per hour, and you can do it in kilometers as well. And you've also got the current speed, which is the model isn't going, so you're not seeing the current speed right now.